Daniel Sturridge had fans convinced he was wearing a seatbelt for punditry duty for Liverpool's clash with Manchester City. The former striker, who played for both Premier League giants, was drafted in as an expert for the massive match.
But viewers couldn't take their eyes off his stylish all-black outfit that included a strap across his midriff. Some fans even joked Sturridge was wearing a seatbelt after spotting the silver buckle.
One said, "Fair play to Sturridge wearing his seatbelt in the Sky Studio, can never be too safe." Another joked, "Strap yourselves in, folks. Read more in football. MGMS Grand get £60 in free bets for the Cheltenham Festival when you stake £10 with BetMGM. Business Jesse Lingard's home debut sets K-League record as fans rush to Lingard Zone. One asked, "Why is Sturridge wearing a plain seatbelt?" Another said, "Clunk click before every game. Sensible." Another agreed, "Daniel Sturridge going for the aeroplane seatbelt look."
Safe choice. On a similar theme, one said, "When you got a pundit gig of 1500 but a flight at 15:05, most read in football Tom Blum Havertz shouldn't he have been on pitch to score late Arsenal winner, says Frank. Clever move. Watford sack Ismail as boss and give an ex-Man United star his first manager job. Gunho Havertz appears annoyed at Redknapp because of question H has answered many times. In the Red UTD's McTominay faces losing £1 million after investing in firm run by fiance's dad. Cheltenham betting offers best free bet deals for the festival. Sturridge made 32 appearances for City, scoring 6 but made his name at Liverpool where he had 68 goals in 160 games. The 34-year-old, who is not officially retired, has not played since 2022, with his most recent game coming for Perth Glory in Australia.
Jamie Carragher and Gary Neville give their Liverpool vs Man City predictions in vital Premier League title clash. Arsenal enter the game top of the league with a game in hand with Liverpool a point behind and City 2. So victory for either side will take them to top of the table with only 10 games to go.